Many friends who make clothes ask how to find the level of this house, and I'm going to show you. How did you find this level? First of all, the first step must be based on the door, because if this door is higher than the door can't be closed. So let's measure according to this door. First, usually according to this threshold. Now I'm going to put a level in there and shine it on. Measure what's coming up the door. Now my spot size has always been 41. Then this light from our level. Shine on this wall. And we're going to make a mark here. Width no matter where the level moves. Just take a picture of the painted mark. Draw one here. When you move the level, we'll also move here. So I have to draw a few marks here. Okay, that's the first step. We've already decided. Measure 41 from this line to the floor below. All that's left is the height of the floor. Second step, we have to find the highest point in each place. If the highest point can't stick the tiles, that has to be lifted up. If it can be pasted, we don't need to lift it. Now let's look at the kitchen first. Turn the level around. Generally, there may be a higher place in the kitchen, because he has more water pipes. It was 41 just now. It's 47 now. Explain that the mortar position here is 6 centimeters, except for the tiles. It is 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters can be pasted normally. And we're going to look at the 4 corners of the hole. That's it. No problem here either. This is also 47. Let's take a look at this corner again. There are high places here. Let's take a look at the highest place here. This is also 47. It is also possible. There is a taller one here. Pole 44. It can also be paved here. Now if you measure it down according to the level of 41, there is no problem with the hall and kitchen. Then we go into the room again. See if the room is higher. If not, that's at this level. Now let's look at this thing. Find the height of this floor. Here is 47. It is also a 6 centimeters mortar position. No problem. Take a look at this corner. Here are 19 more. It's thicker here. Now this room is fine. And then we go to the next room. Here is 47. The horizontal flatness of this house is still acceptable. This is the last room. Let's find the higher place again. Here is 49. This is also 49. This room is of a higher level. The one with the bricks is thicker. It is also possible. Okay, now let's put the kitchen. And the height of the whole room was found. It is no problem to lay bricks at this level. Now the mortar level of the whole house, it's around 6厘米.